Okay, show her how to jump, Megs. Show her how to do it.
Jump! Very wet.
It's raining a lot, yes. Do you like it, Jody? Guys, straight to the bathtub after this, alright?
I like getting dry. I'm going to dry off.
Are you cold? Do you want to go in the house?
Jody, playtime still.
Playtime? Show her Ring Around the Rosies. You want to do Ring Around the Rosies with Megan?
No, I thought you should stop.
Woo! It's a downpour. Go, Megan. This is your shot.
Oh, I don't want to let it get Let's get those out.
Can you do it, Jones? There you go. Oh, the car is in the garage, honey, because it's raining.
Should I take it back out?
No, not right now. It's too wet.
No, can you take it back out?
Here, go show her how to jump in puddles. And jump! Jump, jump, jump!
I want to see the water spout. That's the water spout, Mommy.
Woo!
I want to see the water spout.
What water spout?
Water spout we have in our house.
Oh.
It's catching the rain. It's collecting it for us and cleaning it into more ground.
What? No, we can't go on that today. It's too wet. It's too dangerous. It's not safe.